Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export a video clip in the Microsoft Clipchamp video editor. So let us get started. Head over to video project in the video editor on Clipchamp, and what you will need to do, guys, is click into this export button in the top right, and here go through the settings. For example, you may choose an exporting quality, expand that to gain access to more quality like 1080p, 720p, 480 audio only, or 4K resolution. Here give the file a name. You will see the output file format, which is MP4, and also enable storing in the cloud. You will see the OneDrive, the location in your OneDrive account. Here you may change that as well. And to save and to export the given video project in the location directory of OneDrive, click into export. And after that, wait for the exporting to be finished. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.